This year is all about sustainable fashion, and in this video I'm going to show you how using a limited set of clothes we can create some ultra stylish AM to PM looks. In the first look, I'm wearing a maroon dressy top and I've paired it with silk black straight pants and black pumps, and I'm wearing a neck piece which is a beaded dark maroon neck piece. Because of the neck piece, the attention is going closer to the face, and at work I always want that. The outfit is stylish and dressy, but it's not taking too much attention towards itself. Perfect for work. But if I want to convert this into a PM look, all I want to do is wear a nice, beautiful, easy breezy patterned long cape. I love this cape because it's so simple and it's effortlessly stylish. I just have to wrap it up, carry it with me in the bag, and in the evening I can just drape it. Whether it's a house party or I'm going somewhere out, this is my perfect accompaniment. For the next look, I'm wearing a simple red dress and I wear that maroon dressy top on it, and I wear a high-waisted belt. After wearing the belt, you'll see how this outfit becomes like a peplum top and a skirt look. This is again perfect for my AM look. I love the monochromatic color scheme because single color schemes are really attractive. They are attractive enough but don't get too much unnecessary attention, and that's exactly what I want when I'm dressing to work. But if I want to convert this into an evening look, all I have to do is get rid of the top and wear that elegant patterned long cape. Just see how this patterned long cape is working as the perfect complement to that plain solid dress. This is so simple, so elegant, and a nice mix of pattern and solid, and the neck piece is also enhancing the complete look, and the pumps are just adding that extra oomph factor. I love this for my PM look. Festivals are around the corner, and would you believe I'm wearing the same long red dress and I just wore a orange long skirt with it. It's a beautiful pretty pattern long skirt, and it's an Indian skirt, and if I want to add more Indianness to it, I can just drape a dupatta. If you're not a dupatta person, that's absolutely okay. You can get rid of the dupatta and see how this look is so flexible even without the dupatta. It's just got a nice modern and Indian mix. I really hope you enjoyed watching all these looks. Have fun, be sustainable.